Really happy to be here at IED's Eid Mela. This is a fabulous event and a great platform to encourage the small time entrepreneurs.
Everything for your kitchen is like we have it. So
I'm from Bangladesh, but duties are from India.
The crowd is just getting bigger and better. So what more? I mean, I'm pretty excited. There are lots of varieties, fashion and jewelry, footwears, home decor, you name it, and we have.
And that's our milk pot. So basically the milk comes with lot of preservatives right now. So clay pot, cooking and boiling milk in clay pot will actually remove all the preservatives.
I am your personal jeweler.
Absolutely.
So, however you want to design it, however you want to do it. So, for both of us, it's a passion. So,
Absolutely.
the candles as well as the jewelry comes out of completely passion.
Hi friends, today we have come to an exhibition. It is by Indian expats in Dubai. So this is an exhibition where so many exhibitors have come to showcase their products, and I have heard a lot about this exhibition, that there are different kinds of products that they are offering. So in case you want to come and see what products they have, you can visit the exhibition or you can see this video.
Okay, so this is Anul. As you know, I am the founder of Indian Expats in Dubai, and thank you for coming today for the exhibition. And it's amazing because we are doing it for the first time, and we have 51 plus exhibitors onboarded with us. And as you can see, the crowd is just getting bigger and better. So what more? I mean, I'm pretty excited. There are lots of varieties, fashion and jewelry, footwears, home decor, you name it, and we have it. So all you need to do is to come here today. We are on till 11 p.m. and we are here at Grand Excelsior Bar Dubai. Thank you for coming here and capturing the small video for us.
Pleasure is all ours, because we also get to meet so many people, it's like connecting and making success for everybody. Thank you. This is another beautiful store that we have come across. It has beautiful paintings and beautiful bottles, as you can see. So let's ask her more about her.
Okay, hi, my name is Riddhi. You guys can check it out, my artwork on Riddhi Art Gallery. If you can just zoom on this one. Insta page Riddhi Art Gallery. So this is my passion to do all this artwork actually. So it's a different kind of form artwork. So if you see this one, this is all acrylic on canvas. That one is oil, and this is decoupage, and this is all acrylic. So I do take workshops, and I also teach kids as well. So it's like lots. Business Bay, yeah. So it's a different thoughts on every painting. So if you talk about this one, this is skeptical beauty. So current scenario where the COVID situation, everybody is so concerned whether word will be same again or no. But human spirit always find a ways to come out with any kind of difficulty, right? So this fashionable diva is so hopeful. Everything will be normal, but yet she is very careful with the mask. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for coming.
Okay, we are Revolution Reels. We've just launched our range of pantry products, which are mainly from India, from a brand called Taru Naturals. Taru Natural is basically owned by Ruchi Jain. Ruchi Jain is an Oxford University graduate with her expertise in sustainable agriculture. She is also an environmentalist and a climate control expert. So she basically has 10,000 small-scale farmers in her network. So she personally goes to the farm. She ensures that the seeds they are using is indigenous variety, and she will oversight all the production process. In fact, she goes there, she trains the women farmers. Her focus is a lot on women empowerment. So she will train all the women farmers, she'll give them machinery, she'll try to create a market for them and ensure that they are fair priced.
Hi, I'm Pooja. I'm representing my brand Style Art. I have a designer clutches, all are handmade.
casserole, the coasters, the boxes. We have a lot of boxes, pure wooden boxes. Like you can use for the chocolates, you can use for the sweets. So you can use many of things.
2021, and thank you so much, and really happy to be here at IED's Eid Mela. This is a fabulous event and a great platform to encourage the small-time entrepreneurs. We are here to support them and to encourage all the women to continue doing the great job that they are doing. And that's what this pageant also is about. The Mrs. UAE International Pageant was about. It was about women supporting women and women empowerment and encouraging women of all forms to come forward and own their limelight. So, and I wish the very best of luck to Anil. This is an amazing turnout that has been here. And it's so good to see people come out and support each other. So that's what it's all about, you know. And women supporting women, that's really great. Yeah, thank you so much. Thank you.
Beautiful Jyotis, if you can see here. So let's ask him from where he is.
I'm from Bangladesh, but Jyotis are from India.
Okay.
And this Monarch Fashion Company.
Okay. So और price range कैसे रहता है इनका?
It's about 80 to 120, 150 like this.
Okay. तो आपके पास kids की variety भी होती
No,
है?
only for women.
Only for women. Thank you. Hi. So can you just please tell us about like what all you have and you know what's the range kind of a thing that you're offering here?
Hi, this is Jamila from Adornment. I basically deal in a varied collection of Indian jewelry. And I have items starting from 10 dirhams. Like I have bracelets, charm bracelets and anklets and stuff, and then go on. So these are some pendant sets. These are kada bracelets. Then this is exclusive collection of girls jewelry. These are 18 karat gold plated and very good quality and collection for especially for
the kids one?
these are ranging from 25 onwards. Like then these are some heavy chokers for the wedding wear. These are some exclusive rings, and this is the traditional Indian jewelry. And I have the latest collection in chokers and earrings, meenakari stuff. So
After the exhibition, if they need to contact you,
yeah, they can always connect with me through WhatsApp, Facebook, Instagram. I'm available on all the social media. aj.adornment is my link. So you can find me through Adornment. Like, yeah.
Happy Closet. Okay, and I have this premium cotton nightwears in quirky prints for ladies and kids, and we have this twinnings also. So it's absolutely soft, breathable cotton, and it is wrinkle free, and the color will also not fade. Yeah. It's premium cotton blend, and the stitching and everything you can see. Basically, it's a loungewear. So somebody who not comfortable with the collar pattern. So this is for them.
Okay, so that's a different design.
Yeah, that's a different design.
Indian artisans. So we bring the products from different parts of the India. So here are copper. We are the manufacturer of copper. So copper bottles and copper utensils, as you can see. So we are the manufacturer in India. So we direct deal with the supplier over here. So we can, you can order in bulk as well. We can supply to hotels, restaurants, and everywhere. And we have some Rajasthani Indian marble prints that we also bought from Rajasthan. So these are the things. Thank you.
Pavani, and my venture is all about ancient journey. So it's basically we are taking to ancient era of cooking, where our ancestors used to cook in soapstone, cast iron, and the clay pots. So here we are, showcasing and exhibiting the cast iron and the clay pots. And these clay pots are 100% natural, without any chemicals or sand mixed to it. And this is red clay, where red clay is actually known for its nutritional values. So it has lots of health benefits of using these products in our daily cooking. Healthy cooking is very, very important now, and moreover these days people are switching to healthier and herbal leaving and things, and end of the day if they are cooking that in the non-stick pans, there is no use because they are losing the nutrients of the food. So to retain that nutrients, these are the healthier versions of the cookware products we have. And that's why we named it.
Organic cooking will definitely help you, and you can use the products like these.
Yeah, definitely.
Healthy cooking and your health.
Yes, definitely. And these are curd setting pots.
Okay.
Yeah, you can set the home-based curd in these pots. And these are all cast iron. And this is our signature biryani pot. So you can make delicious biryani ever. And this is our beans pot, like rajma, chole, anything, any beans can be cooked in this. And that's our milk pot. Yeah, these small miniatures are the kitchen playset for children.
Oh, very nice.
Yeah, so they have lots of bowls, the grinding ones.
I think we used to get things like this when we were small.
Yes, I'm available on Instagram as Ancient Journey by Pavani.
Okay.
So Instagram or FB.
So a new range of candles called Meluha candles. It's called Meluha, which is the land of pure souls. So it's just replicating the name.
Okay.
And we also have our own jewelry partner. She's the one who's doing it through IED. She's our IED's jewelry partner. 18 karat and 22 karat diamond and gold jewelry. So she designs it, conceptualizes it, and she does it on her own, creating the design as per your needs.
Customize also
Absolutely.
Everything.
It's absolutely. So it's like I am your personal jeweler.
Absolutely.
So, you know, however you want to design it, however you want to do it. So for both of us, it's a passion. So
Absolutely.
the candles as well as the jewelry comes out of completely passion. In fact, if you look at our brands, these are all very authentic blends, not at all available in the UAE.
It's not available.
Just launched
You name it
for
and we give you
IED.
free. It's not available. This blend is not in UAE. You find out and we'll give it to you free because these blends are not here. It's handcrafted in UAE. Okay. And the wax and all is soy wax, which is being procured from New Zealand. And the essence and the essential oils which go, it's been procured from France. All of them together done. It's been curated in Dubai. So we make the candles in Dubai. Okay. And then we've come up with 18 different fragrances of our own. Small range, medium sizes of candles, and the large premium ones. Okay. So the premium ones are with 2 wicks inside. And everything, it's a clean burn because these are natural ones. This is a soy wax, so the burning is very, very clean. So you don't get those smells and all. It's a clean burn candles. We are also into corporate orders. Okay. We've got lots of corporate orders coming in, so we're procuring to the needs of the corporate orders. So one of the hampers which goes is like this for the corporate orders.
What's the price of this hamper?
This hamper is close to around 225 to 240 dirhams. Okay. 4 sandals, but it is also customized.
Brand is Satika. Satika means I keep all type of sarees, mainly traditional I keep, maybe linen or kanthai stitch, which is from traditional from Bengal. Other than that, some Benarasi, Georgette, all these sarees are there. And for Eid, I think I kept all these some sequence type sarees.
Fancy one.
Yeah, fancy one. So I'm very new in this. I'm by profession I am an engineer.
Okay.
So I think it is a new venture for me. Let's see how it goes. You can see this is the beautiful Kanthai stage. This is the Benarasi Georgette.
Can you just give an idea of 1 or 2 of the range also? Like
Yes, suppose this is the raw silk. It is 255. This is Kanthai stage 240. Another Kanthai stage. This is higher one 280. And this is pure Motka sari. This is 340. And all these fancy sari, these are 145, 150 in this range.
Select a mask of your size and then go in with colors. So we have 15 colors to select from. And then pick a design that you like. Every design can be made on any of the colors that you select. Also we have mask chains, just like you can see I'm wearing one myself.
Correct.
Yeah. So these are mask chains that you can wear on your mask or even for your glasses. Also these are some of our embroidery masks that we have.
So yeah.
So like these ones, they will order you and then you will deliver?
Yes. So we have self pickup as well as delivery.
Okay. So how long does it take? Like how many days?
So right now we're actually packed with orders. So after Eid, but normally about a week's time is good for us to deliver. Yeah. These ones are placed at 25 each, and the embroidery ones are 20 each. Yes. We're also into events, so we do a lot of baby showers, bridal showers, we do wedding decoration, Ganpati decoration.
I'm supporting my mother. We deal into masalas, spices and homemade immunity boosters, from chai masalas to immunity kara masalas, and we also have masala milk powder, that's all homemade. Then we have the normal home masalas, which is your, cinnamon powder, Kashmiri chili powder, cardamom. We also have Himalayan pink salt, healthy makhanas. We have saffron, we have mukwas. It's a one-stop shop actually, doesn't stop, we've got from elaichi to, star anise seeds, to pecans, to nuts, everything for your kitchen is like we have it. So you have to literally just call us, and then we do home delivery also. So yeah, that's what we are with Himalayan pink salt. I think I mentioned it earlier. So
where they can contact you like after
so we have an Instagram handle, iFresh, and you can contact us. Our number and details are given. Even iFresh Rasoi, if you follow us on Facebook, we are also over there.
So guys, as I can't resist chocolate, this is something that I really love. So now I have come across a stall which is having different kinds of chocolate. So I thought, how can we miss this? Come, let's see what range he has.
I'm Namita. My chocolate business name is D's Chocolate. I've named it, my daughter wanted it on her name. So basically her name, and this is completely homemade. I make it myself. Okay, and at present I'm showcasing 7 varieties, which has got the mint flavor. It's got the essence in it. Okay, these are the plain ones.
Okay,
this is white chocolate with tutti frutti.
Okay,
then we have the mukwas, which is the mouth freshener, and we have the pan flavor. So it's got that typical Indian pan flavor. Then that's fruit and nuts. So those are all roasted nuts. We have all those, and this is the orange essence. Now these are just made samples.
Okay.
We've made pouches of all 7 varieties each. So there are 7 in these, which we are selling at 15. And for the kids, we make like these lollipops, which are the plain chocolate. These are our packing materials, and we can do it even in pouches or however you like it, baskets.
It can be customized.
Customized,
like however
yes.
you want. Okay.
And all these are like these in the pouches.
Okay.
So
if somebody wants to order, in advance for some event or something,
Yes.
so how many days in advance do they need?
48 hours. It depends. Yeah, around 24 to 48 hours.
Okay.
And delivery above 100 is free. Okay. So we customize it however you want, in the basket or in the boxes or in the pouch, however, like that. And then we make more, like the stirrers and all that. So in hot milk, you can just dip the stirrers, the chocolate stirrers or the coffee stirrers.
Nice thing for kids.
Yes, yes, yes.
Nice variety, and it has actually some of my favorite flavors. So please do order.
Yeah, thank you. Would you like
So it was a beautiful exhibition. There was lots of products here, like you get the clothing, candles, jewelries, your footwears, and your kitchenware, kitchen masalas. There are so many things. So I think all of you should come. Exhibition is, or you can contact them. The contact details will be in the description. So please contact them and you can order. And if you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share to my channel, Creating Funneries. Thank you.